Oh, hi there, it's that Midwestern mom, and I'm home with a sick kid, and he hasn't eaten for 2 days, and all of a sudden he's got his appetite back, which means he's eating everything in the house. And he requested tater tot hot dish, so we're gonna make a super fast tater tot hot dish. First step, if you're Midwestern, go to your extra freezer and take out some frozen ground beef. If you're my mother, you remembered to do this the night before. If you're me, you just remembered to do it now and you had to defrost it in the microwave. By the way, since I always get complimented on my outfits, 99% of my clothes are from JCPenney, because don't you know there's nothing more Midwestern than JCPenney, coupons, and tater tot hot dish. Mince and onion small enough that your kids can't see it because you like onion in your tater tot hot dish, but they don't. Buy it on the set! Just because you're homesick doesn't mean you get to ruin mommy's video. Do we actually know how to mince an onion efficiently? Heck no. That's what your onion chopper is for. It's also a great way to get out those passive-aggressive Minnesota feelings you've been stifling for 30 years. Apparently I had more feelings to work out today than I normally do. See? Minced onions. Kids won't even see them. And my daughter just got home from school and told me that they had tater tot hot dish for school lunch and she doesn't want tater tot hot dish. But guess what? We're making tater tot hot dish because I don't have any other choice. Oh, don't forget to preheat your oven. Run out to the garage freezer so you can grab a bag of tater tots. Now if you want to make this truly authentic, salt and pepper is good enough, but not too much pepper because it might be spicy. Here I am feeling like an imposter Midwesterner because I don't have cream of mushroom in my cupboard. But you know what? Tater tot hot dish is about cream of something. Put whatever cream of something soup you like in there. We're just gonna add a lot of Worcestershire sauce. Just kidding, I know how to pronounce it correctly. Midwesterners, repeat after me. Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. We prefer green beans in our tater tot hot dish, but you put whatever vegetable in there that makes your little heart happy because I will not argue about it with you. But if you argue amongst yourselves in the comment, it makes the post go more viral. So knock yourselves out, don't you know? Speaking of which, somebody got me this dish towel the other day. I can't imagine why. Add your green beans to your meaty mixture and transfer to a 9x13 pan. Line them up nice and even, otherwise people will judge you. It's been in the oven for about 45 minutes. In the last 5 minutes, I turned on the broiler to make the tater tots extra crispy. Gooey, bubbly Minnesota goodness. I'm fairly certain that my mom gifted me this casserole dish from JCPenney. You know they've been around for over 121 years? I think it's been around longer than tater tot hot dish. For Pete's sakes, that's why they've been part of my family for as long as I can remember. Enjoy. Woof, that's hot.